Design, sell, build. This is a methodology that I've used my entire career for validating the product before it's built, by selling it first. Plan 1.0 is the first IoT business plan and requirements doc. It is developed at the end of the concept and ideation phase of pre-production. While sitting around the conference room table, it may seem like the greatest plan internally, but it must be validated externally with potential customers. This product validation methodology, sometimes referred to as market validation, can be best summed up as design, sell, build. Design your product, sell it, and then build your product. The design, sell, build methodology is especially important in IoT since it's in its infancy. Product ideas need to be validated early and at every step in the development process. It's been my experience with my clients that all IoT products pivot. All. 100%. And they don't just pivot a little bit. They pivot around 180 degrees or more. Why? Because both the vendor and the customer are not that familiar with the Internet of Things. In the early stages especially, terminology may not mean the same thing to both parties. Functionality that sounds good initially may not be what's expected once coded. Everything is new. And this isn't limited to product functionality. Iterate on the business plan in addition to the product requirements at each milestone during development. Specifically during concept ideation, proof of concept, prototype or pilot, and minimally viable product or MVP. The buy, sell, build methodology is an iterative process. It's important to go to potential customers and partners to get feedback at each stage during development. Then this feedback must be incorporated before moving on to the next development milestone.